When it comes to selecting windows that combine timeless style, functionality, and versatility, double-hung windows continue to be a favorite among homeowners in Lafayette. With their balanced design and practical performance, they complement a wide range of architectural styles while offering modern energy efficiency and convenience. If you're considering upgrading your windows, here's why double-hung windows remain a classic and smart choice for Lafayette homes. A timeless design that fits any style. Lafayette is known for its charming mix of traditional Southern homes, historic properties, and newer residential developments. Double-hung windows blend seamlessly into nearly any architectural design. Characterized by two vertically sliding sashes, double-hung windows offer a symmetrical appearance that feels both elegant and understated. Whether your home features brick exteriors, shutters, or detailed trim, this window style enhances curb appeal without overpowering the design. For homeowners who value classic aesthetics, double-hung windows deliver a look that never goes out of style. Flexible ventilation for warm days. Lafayette's warm climate makes proper ventilation important. One of the key benefits of double-hung windows is their flexible airflow control. Both the top and bottom sashes can be opened, allowing warm air to escape through the top while cooler air enters through the bottom. This natural circulation improves indoor air quality and helps regulate temperature during milder months. The ability to control airflow from either direction makes double-hung windows especially practical for bedrooms, living rooms, and kitchens. Easy cleaning and maintenance. Modern double-hung windows are designed with convenience in mind. Many feature tilt and sashes, allowing you to clean the exterior glass from inside your home. In Lafayette, where humidity and seasonal weather can cause windows to collect dirt and debris, this feature simplifies maintenance. You won't need to climb ladders or rely on professional cleaning services as often. Additionally, vinyl and fiberglass frame options offer low maintenance durability, resisting moisture damage and requiring minimal upkeep. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Today's double-hung windows are far more energy efficient than older models. Double-pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings help reduce heat transfer and improve indoor comfort. In Lafayette's warm summers, these features limit solar heat gain and support lower cooling costs. During cooler periods, they help retain indoor warmth. When professionally installed and properly sealed, double-hung windows provide reliable insulation that keeps your home comfortable throughout the year. Enhanced safety and security. Double-hung windows also offer built-in safety benefits. The option to open only the top sash is particularly useful for households with young children, as it allows ventilation while minimizing accessibility from lower openings. Modern locking mechanisms further enhance security, giving homeowners peace of mind without sacrificing style. A smart investment for long-term value. Because double-hung windows are widely recognized and appreciated, they often appeal to future buyers. Their classic appearance and functional advantages make them a desirable feature in Lafayette's housing market. Upgrading to energy-efficient double-hung windows can increase your home's value while improving daily comfort. Customization options to suit your home. Double-hung windows are available in a variety of frame materials, finishes, and grid patterns. Whether you prefer a traditional divided light look or a clean, modern design, you can customize the style to match your home's personality. From subtle white frames to bold accent colors, there are options to enhance both interior and exterior aesthetics. A reliable choice for Lafayette homeowners. Double-hung windows have stood the test of time for a reason. Their combination of timeless design, ventilation flexibility, energy efficiency, and ease of maintenance makes them a practical and attractive solution. For Lafayette homeowners seeking a window style that blends tradition with modern performance, double-hung windows remain a classic choice that delivers lasting value.